How to get 1000 subscribers in 1 week. It's about what I will try to tell you in my videos here by showing actually, if you pay attention, please, here, real time. Okay, this is not screenshots. I'm doing real time video here just to show you what's possible for you. I'm not the biggest expert on the YouTube channels, not at all, but I found out something very strange. Just please hang with me here. I will try to explain how you can do the same. What happened here is, you see, everything is flat here. Okay, this is the last update. I can refresh this if you want. Okay, so just to show you last 365 days. Okay, the numbers are the same. And if you want last 28 days, the numbers are pretty much the same, a little bit more, because my channel I think is 31 day or something like this. Anyway, last 90 days for make sure. I want to show you something what happened here. You see, there was nothing, was flat, 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 everything was, it's just a channel what was like, you know, nothing on the channel. Okay, now I got 13 million views. You will wonder why it's only $500 here. I will explain that later to you. Okay, so basically the story is like this. This was a brand new channel. I got very weird idea. Okay, that weird idea happened right here. And that weird idea I implemented. And you can see what happened here. Okay, a little bump here, and then was enormous bump here. 1.5 millions I got on a March 31 here. Okay, and then was 30 March, 1.2 million views, and those are the views because I'm on the views here, and then 1.5 million views. So I will share with you what I did, okay, and maybe it will gonna help you to grow your own audience, because if we click on the audience here, which is subscribers, you can see the same. There was nothing, okay, nothing, zero is here, okay. And here started to be like craziness. Okay, in one day, Tuesday, you see Tuesday, March 29 was 700 subscribers. Next day, 26,000, which means about 26,000 in one day. But okay, I'm not giving you like a crazy magical kind of like recipe here. I told you I will just share what I did and how it went, what happened here. And then you see it goes down again. And then I try to get up again here and all this, the revenue stuff here. So let me start with this end here. About the revenue, why the revenue is so low? Because you have to please notice that this is the new channel. I can't do anything here, okay? This is not monetized here. Until even here, it was not monetized because it was not complying with the monetization rules. When I got this spike here, that was my idea. I will need subscribers because I had no subscribers even at this point on the March 29. I had only 700 subscribers, okay? That was kind of like the first day when I got this crazy idea. Oh, I can get a lot of subscribers actually, and I can get monetize this channel maybe in a few days. And this is actually what happened. Next day was 26,000 subscribers. Then I applied for monetization. And I think it in 2 days or something, they allowed me to monetize. And this is what I got right now. By end of the April, this is my first month revenue. Okay, it's still not first month because I got a few more days. But this is the crazy thing what nobody will gonna tell you on YouTube, because it not happens like this. Okay, so let me just finish the video right here, and on the next video I will tell you, if you click to this video, I will gonna tell you exactly what was the crazy thing I did to get from here up to there, and what was the crazy idea. Click on the next video and you will gonna see me there.